Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the comparison of the DM8 Smartwatch versus the H11 Smartwatch. On this video, we will compare the menus and features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the DM8 versus the H11 Smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the menus and features of DM8 versus the H11 Smartwatch. So we have here the DM8 and we have the H11. Let's check first the UI. Again, let's explore the UI. So on top we have notifications. On the bottom part, we have the settings and options for the DM8. For the H11, we have a dashboard for the common and popular apps. On the left side, they almost have the same style here. Different applications in just one dashboard. On the right side, we have the widgets. Okay, you can also add and remove widgets here. I think they have the same operating system as you can see here. So the same style of adding widgets. Going back. Okay, just press the power button to access the main menu. So we have here the sports functions. They have the same number of sports. We have the sleep monitoring. We have pedometer. Okay. Or automatic activity tracking. We have the heart rate here. We have a blood pressure. Seems like they have the same features here. Blood oxygen monitoring. Message notification. We have the Bluetooth call. The same icon here, the same setup. You have the Bluetooth music, weather report. We have the calculator, and as you can see, we have a breathing guide here, and we don't have it here in our DM8. After the calculator, we have the alarm. It's the entire reminder, so the same style. Stopwatch, remote photo control function, voice assistant. We have, going back, we have the car race here. Yes, we also have it here. I don't see, yes, we have also the find phone. I thought that is not included. We have the torch here. We have the calendar. We have a short video control. It's not available here in our DM8. Here are the supported applications. WhatsApp, Facebook, X. Also have here the drink water reminder. Reboot, shutdown, multiple language support, the QR code, the app, view, display and brightness. Okay, we don't have it here, the additional health functions in our DM8. Let's see in the settings. So what's the difference when it comes to the settings? Personal information, notice. So the same. Operating system here, about. So version 1.2, version 1.1. So the operating system is upgraded here for our DM8 compared to H11. But basically they have the same OS. Just different version. You have the QR code here. Laxas Fit, HR Wi-Fi app. store, reboot, and shutdown. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features. Overall, they have the same functions here, just a minor difference, especially in the health functions. More health functions for H11 compared to DM8. But for the sports and other features, just the same wearable, DM8 and H11. So if we are going to summarize the difference for the DM8 and H11, the DM8 do have a more premium body frame, metal body frame, more solid. For the H11, although it is plastic, the built-in flashlight here is very useful. Okay, and one of the main reasons why smartwatch fans love to get this wearable. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.